Ooh, chugga chugga choo choo. All aboard the A&E Express. Next stop, Weston Seaport in Boston.
Shereen, what are you doing?
Getting hyped for A&E. This year's theme is trains, you know.
But we're supposed to be there already. And those are bullet trains. They don't make choo-choo noises.
Snicked.
That's Wolverine.
I am the best at chugga chugga choo choo.
Oh my goodness. Come on, we have to get going.
All right, hop on my...
It's already started.
Okay, just get on. I'll fly us there.
Okay. Bye, everybody. See you at A&E.
Yeah, see you later. Happy First Day Friday.
And if you're not going to be there, happy First Day Friday. Bye-bye.
Bye.